Hello friends, welcome back to Automation Tech Guru. Today I am going to start a podcast series Artificial Intelligence in Automation Testing and Software Testing. In this video, we will see the episode 1 of this podcast series where we will explore cutting edge world of artificial intelligence in automation testing and software testing. We are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it's transforming the landscape of automation and software testing. We will break down AI, its impact on automation and testing, and how it's changing the way we think about quality assurance in software development. Whether you are new to AI, automation, or software testing, you will walk away with a clearer understanding of what is happening in the field today and where it's heading. By the end of this video, we will understand how AI is not just transforming the way we test software, but how it's making our lives easier and testing smarter. So, agenda. So, today's video's agenda is Segment 1, Understanding Artificial Intelligence, the Basics. Segment 2, in the segment 2 we will see the evaluation of testing from manual and AI powered automation. In segment 3 we will see the applications and key benefits of artificial intelligence in automation testing. In the segment 4 we will see the real world examples and case studies of artificial intelligence. In segment 5 we will see the myths and misconceptions about artificial intelligence and testing. In segment 6 we will see the future of artificial intelligence and software testing, and at the end we will conclude and we will see what action we need to take to understand and learning the artificial intelligence. So segment 1, Understanding Artificial Intelligence and the Basics. So before we dive into how AI is used in automation, let's take a step back and understand what AI really is. AI, or artificial intelligence, refer to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and program solve. It's not just about a robot. AI is in everything from virtual assistants like Siri to self-driving car. Now when we talk about AI in the context of automation and software testing, we are referring to AI system that can help us improve the accuracy, speed, and efficiency of the testing process. Introduction. So, artificial intelligence, a transformative field that is reshaping the way we live, work, and interact with technology. In this segment, we will break down the basics of AI in a way that's simple, engaging, and easy to grasp. By the end, you will understand what AI is, how it works, and why it's relevant to our lives. What is AI? So, AI is a branch of computer science focused on creating systems that can perform tasks requiring human like intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, perceptions, and even language understanding. Everyday example of AI. So, like you can see, virtual assistants, recommendation system, and smart cars. So, virtual assistants basically, if you think of Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistants helping you set reminders or answer your queries. Recommendation systems performs like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon, suggesting movies, videos, and products based on your preferences. Smart car, autonomous vehicle that navigate roads safely using sensor and AI algorithm. In simple terms, AI allows machine to mimic certain aspects of human thinking and behavior. Brief history of AI. AI didn't emerge overnight, so it has rich history marked by breakthrough and challenges. The Turing test, it is 1950. Alan Turing proposed a test to measure a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from a human's. Dartmouth Conference, that is 1956, the birth of AI is an academic discipline where the term artificial intelligence was first coined. IBM Deep Blue, that is in 1997, a computer program defeated chess champion Gary Kasparov, so casting AI potential. Google AlphaGo, that is in 2016, AI tripped over a world champion in the complex game and Go. These milestones represent the gradual evaluation of AI from a theoretical concept of real world applications. Type of AI. So we categorize three different type of AIs, that is narrow AI or big AI. It is designed for the specific task, or maybe you can have an example facial recognition, language translation, or virtual assistance. Second is generative AI or general AI, that is a strong AI. It is hypothetical AI that can perform any intellectual task as human can do, or is still a realm of research. And third is intelligence AI, that is futuristic concept where AI surpass human intelligence, often discussed in science fiction. How AI works. So its core at its core, AI really relies on data, algorithms, and computing power to function. Here is a simplified breakdown. Data collection. So AI system gather data collection from various sources like text, image, video. Data processing. So AI basically collect the raw data, is organized, filtered, and prepared for analysis. Learning models. So AI uses machine learning algorithm to analyze the data and identify patterns. There are three different type of machine learning, that is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So for regarding the machine learning, we will see in the next episode. Fourth is decision making. So based on its training, AI generates insights and predictions which guide decisions. Why AI matters. So AI is already making a significant impact on across industries like healthcare. It can be early diagnosis, personalized medicine, and robotic surgeries. Finance, fraud detection, algorithm trading or algorithmic trading, and customer support. Transportation, Again, autonomous vehicle and traffic management system. For education, personalized learning experience and virtual tutors. So moreover, AI open up existing career opportunities in field of like science, data science, machine learning, engineering, and AI research. So basically, artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative technology that's shaping our future. Understanding its basics is the first step toward appreciation its vast potential and preparing for a world where AI plays a central role. In the next segment, we will explore how evaluation of testing happening from manual to AI powered automation. So next segment is the evaluation of testing from manual to AI powered automation. So how we can use AI in automation and software testing. So AI in automation and software testing refers to the use of intelligent systems and algorithms to simulate human like problem solving, learning, and decision making is in testing processes. It enhances traditional testing methods by making them smarter, faster, and more adaptive. Think of AI as teaching machines to think and learn like humans, enable them to identify patterns, generate insights, and make decisions independently, but with much greater speeds and accuracy. So, daily life examples of AI. We interact with the AI almost every day, sometimes without even realizing it. Here are some reliable examples like Netflix recommendation. AI analyze your watching history and suggest shows and movies you might like. Google Map AI helps calculate the shortest route to your destination, avoiding traffic in real time. Voice assistance Siri or Alexa answering your question or setting reminder. These are the example of AI analyzing data, identifying patterns and making smart predictions. Traditional versus artificial intelligence powered automation testing. So what is actually traditional automation testing we are doing? So relies on predefined scripts and rules created by tester or executes repetitive tasks like running test script and checking fixed outputs. Even we are struggling with complex test environment or frequent changes in the software. So software testing has undergone a remarkable transformation over the years from traditional manual testing methods to cutting edge use of AI powered automation testing. So here a deep dive into how testing has evolved to meet the growing demands of faster development cycles, complex systems, and higher quality software. So first is manual testing, the foundation. So what it is? Manual testing involves human testers who execute test cases step by step to identify bug or defect in the software. So what are the key features? It is human driven process. Testers manually interact with the application to validate its functionality. Time consuming. Obviously, it is repetitive tasks such as regression testing are like labor intensive tests and slow. Error prone, so it is subject to human oversight and fatigue. So, what are the challenges with the manual testing? So, limited scalability for large and complex system, inefficiency in repetitive tasks or regression testing tasks. Next is traditional automation testing, speeding things up. So what it is? So traditional automation testing introduced tools to automate repetitive tasks, reducing the dependency on human effort. Scripts were written to execute predefined test scenarios. Key feature like script based execution, so we can use the tool like Selenium, QTP, JUnit and other different tools that allow tester to write scripts to automate a specific task. Faster regression testing, so once you do the automation you can just run the scripts and reuse the same repetitive test cases multiple times. Reliability in repetitive tasks, so it eliminates the human error from predictable and structured tasks. What are the challenges? So high maintenance, obviously, in changing the application UI or workflow, often break test scripts and require frequently update. Limited flexibility, cannot handle dynamic or complex scenarios effectively. No self-learning, scripts only follow predefined rule and lack adaptability. So these are some challenges for the traditional automation testing. So the advent of AI powered automation testing. What it is? So AI powered testing integrates machine learning, artificial intelligence to enhance traditional automation, enabling tools to learn, adapt, and make intelligence decisions. What are the key features? So self-learning algorithm, AI learn from the historic data, system log, and user behavior to optimize behavior and requirements. Self optimized test processes, dynamic test creation. So basically AI generates and execute test cases automatically based on application behavior and requirement. Self-healing scripts, when changes occur in the application or maybe buttons position shift or anything minor change or major change, AI updates the script without manual intervention. So what are the benefits for AI powered automation? Smart bug predictions. So AI predicts area in the code mostly likely to contain defects, and it can be prioritize your test coverage, scalability and speed. So it handles large complex systems with faster test execution, better test optimization. It identifies redundant tests and focus on high impact areas. Next is visual testing. So again, it detects UI inconsistencies with high precision using visual AI. So what are the popular tool for the AI automation? So like Apply tools, it is for the visual testing powered by AI. Test IM, it is AI driven test case creation and execution. Mavel, that is MABL, simplifies the end-to-end testing with AI, and Functionize is uses AI to scale test automation for cloud-based application. So these tools we will learn in our upcoming episodes of this podcast series. Next is the future of testing fully AI integrated system. So basically, as AI continues to evolve, the future of testing is heading toward continuous testing in DevOps pipeline and fully autonomous testing systems. What next? So if we are talking about the what next, so again the hyper automation in testing, it is basically a combination of AI and RPA, that is robotics process automation, for seamless workflow. Proactive testing, It is a AI system that tests before bugs occur by simulating real world scenario and analyzing code changes in real time. AI driven insights, it basically predict analytics to inform business decisions and development strategies. So let's see the comparison key differences over time. So in the first column we have aspects: manual testing, traditional automation, and AI powered automation. Execution speed, obviously manual testing is slow, faster than manual. In the traditional automation it is faster than manual, but AI powered automation extremely fast and scalable. Maintenance effort, for manual testing it is low because it is a human driven. For traditional automation it is high because script can be maintained by automation tester. But for AI powered automation it is low self healing scripts, so AI powered automation can be updated by their own. Adaptability, for manual testing it is limited. For traditional automation it is limited to predefined scripts, but for AI powered automation it is highly adaptive and dynamic. Accuracy, in the manual testing it is prone to human error. For traditional automation, high for repetitive tasks, and for AI powered automation, high with intelligent analysis. Scalability, so for manual testing it is limited. For traditional automation it is moderate, but for AI powered automation it is high. Learning capabilities, for manual tester none. For automation it is none, but for AI powered automation self learning and improving. So you need to learn the tools, the technology which is used for the AI powered automation. So we are coming to next segment is third segment. So in this segment we will see the applications and key benefits of artificial intelligence in automation testing. So the evolution from manual to AI or powered automation testing is a reflection of software industry's growing need to speed, accuracy, and scalability. While manual testing laid the groundwork and traditional automation accelerated process, AI has introduced intelligence and adaptability to testing, ensuring high quality software at fraction of the time and effort. As AI continue to mature, the future of testing is all about a smart tool working alongside human tester, automating repetitive tasks and enabling creative problem solving to deliver better software faster. So in this segment we will see how AI analyze vast amount of data, recognize trends, and apply logic to automate and optimize repetitive or complex tasks in the testing life cycle. Instead of write a script, AI tools learn from previous test run, bug history, and application behavior to improve testing process. So let's see the application of AI in software testing. What are the applications? So here how AI is transforming automation and testing. Smart test case generation. So AI tools automatically generate the test cases by analyzing user interaction, system logs, or requirements documentation. For example, you can use the AI powered tool like Test IM or Functionize, analyze user journey to create relevant test scenarios. Bug prediction and detection. AI predict areas in the code most likely to contain bug based on historic data or pattern. And it is also improved the visual testing, detecting pixel level UI differences missed by a traditional tool. Next is test script maintenance. So traditional testing tools often fail when there are changes in the application like UI update, or AI can dynamically adapt and fix test script without human intervention. That is known as self-healing. Test optimization. AI identifies redundant or less valuable test cases, helping testers and prioritize high risk areas for efficient coverage. And next is improved test coverage. So AI tools basically simulate user behavior to uncover edge cases and test scenarios that might not have been considered manually. Next is benefit in AI in testing. So we already discussed that speed. AI drastically reduce the testing time, especially for repetitive tasks. Accuracy, by minimizing human error, it delivers more reliable results. Cost efficiency, AI reduce resource intensive manual work. Scalability, easily handles large scale or complex test environment. And continuous improvement. So basically AI learns from past testing data to improve performance and outcomes over time. Next segment is real world examples and case studies of artificial intelligence. So AI powered automation testing has revolutionarily the way software is tested, offering smarter solution to challenge in speed, scalability, quality. And let's explore the real world example and test studies to understand how organizations leverage AI to enhance their testing process. So AI powered test case generation. For example, Netflix. So we will see all the real world examples with three different things. One is challenge, second one is solution, and third one is result. So AI powered test case generation example is Netflix. Challenges: Netflix operates on global scale with millions of users interacting across devices, requiring thorough and rapid testing of its recommendations in system and user interfaces. So what is the solution? So Netflix uses AI to analyze user behavior data and automatically generate relevant test cases. Result: this approach minimizes manual effort and ensure consistent testing for personalized user experience. So what is the takeaway from this? AI in test case generation ensure broader coverage while reducing manual intervention, enabling fast delivery cycles. Next is predicting and preventing bugs. So for this, I have choose the example of Facebook. What are the challenges? So with millions of line of code and frequent updates, Facebook needed a system to identify bugs before they reaches production. What is the solution? So Facebook uses AI basic static code analysis tool to predict potential bugs to analyzing historical defect data and code patterns. So result: the system flagged risky code changes, allowing engineer to address potential issues early and significantly reduce production defects. So what is the takeaway? AI powered bug prediction tools can save time and resources by detecting issues before they occur. Next is self-healing test script. So for this, best example is Spotify. What is the challenge with Spotify? Frequently updates to Spotify UI often break traditional test script, requiring significant maintenance. Solution: Spotify adopted AI-powered testing tool like Test IM, which use self-healing technology to adapt a script to UI changes automatically. And what is the result? So reduce downtime, it can lower the maintenance cost, and also it is faster test execution across multiple platforms. So takeaway: the self-healing script powered by AI eliminates the need of constant manual script updates and making testing more efficient. Next is visual testing with AI. Best example is eBay. So what is the challenge? eBay is dynamic marketplace, involves frequent design updates requiring precise visual testing to maintain a consistent user interface across devices. So what is the solution? eBay is using Amplitude Eyes, an AI powered visual testing tool to detect pixel level changes in the UI and result. So AI basically ensure consistent branding and user experience without compromising testing speed. So what is the takeaway? AI driven visual testing improves accuracy in identifying AI issues, ensuring a seamless user experience. Test optimization in Agile and DevOps. So best example is IBM. What is the challenge? So IBM software development team work in Agile environment where frequent testing cycle are essential. So what is the solution? IBM implemented AI tool like Mavel, that is MABL, to prioritize high risk test cases, optimize test execution, and automate redundant tests. Result: what is the result? So uh, faster feedback loops and enhanced test coverage enabled quicker release with improved quality. What is the takeaway? So basically AI ensures that testing and aligns seamlessly with agile and DevOps workflows by focusing on critical area and automating repetitive tasks. Next is regression testing with AI. So best example is Walmart. So Walmart challenges it is a e-commerce platform require frequent updates, making regression testing a time-intensive process. Uh, AI is given the solution. Basically, it is using Walmart adapted AI-powered regression testing tool to analyze historic data and prioritize key regression tests. And the result: testing time reduced by 50%, enabling faster developments and while maintaining quality. Takeaway: so basically, AI optimized regression testing by targeting high risk area and reducing unnecessary test execution. End to end testing automation. Next is end to end testing automation. So, best example is Google. So what is the challenge? Testing Google Assistance across different devices, language, and integrations is complex and resource intensive. Solution: so basically, Google developed internal AI-powered testing tool to simulate user interactions, validate voice commands, and ensure seamless performance across devices. Result: so you can see the AI-enabled tool ensured broader test coverage while minimizing manual effort. What is the takeaway from this? So AI powered end-to-end testing tools are indispensable for complex multi-platform system. Next is AI in performance testing. So best case study is Uber. So challenge: Uber's platform experience peak users during event requiring efficient performance testing to ensure reliability. Solution: over integrated AI into its performance testing process to simulate real world traffic patterns and predict bottlenecks. And thereafter, the result is improved system reliability during peak uses, ensuring a seamless customer experience. Takeaway: so AI enhances performance testing by providing realistic simulations and predictive insights. So what are the key benefits from the real world use cases? Efficiency. So we have seen that AI can automate repetitive tasks, reducing manual effort. Accuracy. AI detects various issues including UI inconsistencies and performance bottlenecks. Scalability. AI handles complex systems with ease, ensuring comprehensive test coverage. Adaptability. AI-powered tool adjust to change in code or UI dynamically, minimizing maintenance. And then faster time to market. That is where it is basically reduce the testing time, enable quicker releases. So these real world example and case studies highlights how AI powered automation testing is transforming the software testing landscape from from generating smarter test cases to predicting bug and optimizing test suite. AI is powering organizations to achieve faster, more accurate, and cost effective testing. Next is the segment 5, myths and misconceptions about artificial intelligence and testing. So basically, as AI powered automation tools or AI powered tools, it is revolutionizing software testing. Misconceptions surrounding AI testing often lead to skepticism and confusion. Let's debunk some common myth and clarify the realities of integrating AI into testing process. So myth 1 is AI will replace human testers. So what is the misconception? So it is basically saying that AI will take over the entire testing process, making human testers obsolete. Basically, the reality is AI enhance human testers' capabilities by automating repetitive tasks and identifying patterns that match and that might go unnoticed. Human testers remain essential for designing creative test scenarios, making subjective decisions like user experience validation or understanding business concepts. So basically, AI supports testers, not replace them. It frees testers to focus on strategy and complex activities rather than mundane the task. Next myth is AI is fully autonomous and error free. So what is the misconception? So the misconception is AI tools can operate independently without any human oversight or and are infallible. So basically, the what is the reality? So reality is AI system require training, data, human supervision to function effectively. Basically, AI learn from the historic data which might contain bias or gaps. It needs tester to validate result and interpret findings. AI is a tool, not a magic wand, and its effectiveness is depends on how well it is trained and implemented. Next misconception is AI is only useful for big companies. So what is the misconception? AI powered testing tools are expensive and suitable only for the large enterprises with complex systems. So basically the reality is AI powered testing tool comes in various scale and price ranges, making them accessible to startup and small businesses as well. So basically the tools are open source AI tools like test.ai and it is basically a pay-as-you-go platform catered to smaller teams. AI benefits organization for all sizes of improving efficiency and reducing cost in the long run. Next is AI can test everything. The basically misconception is AI can handle all type of testing from functionality to performance and usability. Reality is different. AI excel in certain areas such as regression testing, it identifying code changes that break existing functionality, visual testing, it can detect UI inconsistencies, predictive analysis, so it is highlighting potential bug based on the pattern. However, area like usability testing and ethical testing still require human creativity and empathy, as AI lacks subjective judgment and intuition. Next is AI powered testing tool are hard to use. So this is basically a misconception that AI tools require advanced programming skill or expertise to implement and maintain. So what is the reality? Basically, modern AI powered tools are designed with user friendly interfaces and low code, no code solutions, making them accessible to no technical testers. For example, you can see the tools like TestIM or Mabl provide drag and drop feature for test creation. With minimal training, even teams with limited AI knowledge can start using these tools effectively. Next misconception is AI powered tools always require huge data sets. So this is basically a misconception that AI can only work effectively if fed with massive amount of data. So reality is different. While AI does perform better, more data, modern tools are equipped to work with smaller datasets by leveraging pre-trained models and adaptive learning techniques. So basically, tool can start with a small and then improve as more data become available. Next is AI can eliminate all bugs. This is a misconception that all AI guarantees 100% bug-free software. So reality is different. No tools or process can ensure completely bug-free software. AI help reduce bug by enhancing coverage. It can be predicting high-risk areas, or it can automate repetitive tasks efficiently. However, some bugs may still escape detection, especially in areas requiring deep contextual understanding. Next is AI is too costly to implement. Again, this is a misconception that adopting AI for testing is prohibitively expensive and out of reach for most teams. The reality is different. Basically, AI powered tools may require initial investment, but they often deliver significant ROI through faster test execution, reduce manual effort, and improve product quality. Additionally, many AI tools offer flexible pricing models, including subscription based or users based plans, making them affordable for businesses of varying sizes. Next is AI in testing is a passing trend. So this is again a misconception because AI is a temporary fad that won't sustain long-term value in software testing. The reality is different. AI is not just a trend; it's a transformative technology driving innovation across industries in testing. AI helps organizations keep up with agile and DevOps demands. It improves efficiency, accuracy, and speed. Even it can, and also it continues to evolve, integrating deeper into CI/CD pipelines and test ecosystems. So basically AI in testing is here to stay and grow. Next is AI testing is only for advanced projects. So this is again a misconception, because AI is only applicable for complex cutting edge technologies like machine learning or blockchain. So reality is different. AI can be applied to project for all complexities, from simpler web application to advanced AI based system. For that example is AI tools can automate regression testing for e-commerce website or perform visual testing for mobile app. Its versatile makes AI valuable across industries and project type. So basically, if you understanding the myth and realities about AI in testing is crucial for embracing its potential effectively. AI is not here to replace testers but to empower them, enabling smarter testing practices and better software to quality. By addressing these misconceptions, teams can make informed decisions and unlock the true value of AI powered testing tools. So, next is the future of artificial intelligence in software testing. So, looking ahead, the role of AI in software testing will only continue to grow. As AI technologies improve, we will see even more intelligent automation tools, including tools that can autonomously perform end-to-end testing, manage test environment, and even self-head test script. AI in software testing is evolving rapidly and resharpening the way organizations build, test, and deliver software. The future promises even greater advancements, powering teams to meet the challenges of faster development lifecycle, complex systems, and the demand for high quality products. Here is a look at the key trends and innovations that define the future of AI in the software testing. Autonomous testing systems. So basically, AI powered tools are advancing towards fully autonomous testing systems capable of self managing the entire testing cycles. So, what are the key features for autonomous testing systems? So, first is test case creation and execution. AI will analyze requirements and user behaviors to generate, execute, and optimize test cases without human input. Self-healing scripts. Test scripts will automatically adapt to change in the application, that is like a UI application, to maintain stability and reduce maintenance cost. Continuous learning. So AI models will learn from historic data and feedback loops, in improving test accuracy and efficiency over time. So, for example, tools like Test IM or Functionize are already moving towards autonomous testing by offering adaptive learning and test self-healing capabilities. Next is AI enhanced DevOps and CI/CD pipeline. So the future of software testing will see tighter integration of AI with DevOps and CI/CD workflow. So what are the key features? Shift left testing. AI will enable early detection of defect during the development phase, minimizing costly fixes later. Continuous testing. AI will ensure that testing happens seamlessly at every stage of the pipeline, enable, enabling faster releases. Predictive analytics. AI will analyze code changes to predict high risk areas and prioritize testing effort accordingly. So, for example, AI-driven platform like Mavel already integrated with CI/CD pipelines to automate end-to-end testing and providing actions, insights. Autonomous on hyper automation on in testing. So hyper automation in testing, which combines AI with robotics process automation, that is RPA, and other technologies, will redefine software testing. So what are the key features? It is end-to-end automation. So from test planning to execution and reporting, every aspect of testing will be automated. Cross-platform testing. AI will enable seamlessly testing across diverse platforms, devices, and environments. Smarter workflows. AI and RPA will collaborate to automate repetitive tasks such as test data generation, environment setup, and report creation. For example, you can use hyper automation will allow enterprises to test large scale applications like e-commerce websites and enterprise resource planning, that is ERP model or ERP systems, which minimal human intervention. Next is AI in performance and load testing. So AI is basically uh, performance testing by enabling predictive insights and real world simulations. Key features. So dynamic traffic simulation. AI will simulate complex user interactions, peak traffic patterns, and edge cases. Predictive performance analytics. AI will predict potential bottlenecks and scalability issue before they occur. Resource optimization. AI will suggest ways to optimize infrastructure and system performance. For example, Uber uses AI to simulate traffic spikes during events, ensuring its system can handle peak loads. Next is visual testing and UX validation. So AI powered visual testing will become more sophisticated, ensuring high pixel perfect user interface across devices and screen resolution. So key features: visual AI model. Tools will detect and fix inconsistency in layout, design, and branding. AI driven usability testing. So basically, AI will analyze user behavior to provide insights on improving user experience. Accessibility testing. AI will ensure compliance with accessibility standards such as WCAG or for inclusive design. For example, Apple Tools Eyes already uses AI for pixel level comparison, and future tools will incorporate deeper UX validations. Next is AI driven security testing. With growing cybersecurity concerns, AI will play a vital role in identifying vulnerability and ensuring secure software. So key features for these testing: threat detection prediction. AI will analyze code and system configuration to identify potential security risks. Automated penetration testing. AI will simulate cyber attack to uncover vulnerability. And next is real time monitoring. So AI will continuously monitor systems to detect and respond to threats automatically, dynamically. For example, AI powered tool like Synopsys Seeker already focus on automated security testing, and these capabilities will expand further. Next is AI enabled test optimization. So AI will transform test optimization, ensuring maximum efficiency will minimize minimal effort. Key features: test case prioritization. AI will identify and prioritize high risk areas for testing. Redundant test elimination. AI will detect and remove unnecessary or overlapping test cases. Smart test coverage. AI will analyze gaps in test coverage and suggest additional test scenarios. For example, organization like IBM uses AI to optimize test case execution, reducing testing time and improving results. Next is proactive testing with predictive analytics. So AI will enable proactive testing approaches focusing on prevention rather than detection. For example, the key feature for proactive testing and predictive analytics: early defect prediction. AI will analyze code pattern to predict potential defects before they arise. Real-time insights. AI will provide action-level insights to developers for fixing issues immediately. Risk-based testing. AI will assess the impact of changes and guide testing effort accordingly. For example, Facebook uses AI for static code analysis, flagging risky code changes early in the development cycle. Next is democratization of AI in testing. So the future will make AI-powered testing tool more accessible for non-technical testers. So key features: basically no code, low code platforms, simplified interfaces will allow testers without coding expertise to leverage AI tools effectively. Pre-trained models. AI tools will come with pre-trained models to handle common testing scenarios out of box. Wider adoption. Startup and small businesses will benefit from cost-effective, scalable AI testing solution. Tools like test.ai and Catalan Studio already focus on user-friendly AI-powered testing for the no-code, low-code platform. Ethical AI testing. So as AI become more integrated into testing, ensuring that ethical uses of AI will be growing focus. So key features for this: bias detection. AI will be trained to identify and eliminate bias in software behavior. Compliance and regulation. AI tools will ensure software adhere to privacy law, ethical guidelines and industry standards. Transparent reporting. AI systems will provide clear explanation results to ensure trust in testing outcomes. So tools help with bias detection and fairness testing like IBM AI Fairness 360 or Google What If tool. So these are the some tools which can be used for the ethical AI testing. So the future of AI in software testing is transformative, promising intelligent, efficient and adaptive systems that work hand in hand with human testers. As organizations embrace AI, they will unlock unprecedented speed, scalability and quality in their software delivery pipelines. Next and last segment is conclusion and call to action. So basically the start your journey, AI journey from today. So to sum up today's episode, AI is game changer in world of automation testing. By automating repetitive tasks, predicting failures and continuously adapting to new software changes, AI tools are making testing faster, smarter and more accurate. While there are challenges to consider, the future of testing with AI looks incredible bright. So key takeaways from this: AI doesn't replace human testers, it enhances their creativity and productivity. The advancement in AI powered testing like autonomous testing, predictive analytics and no code tools making testing smarter and more accessible. As the software industry continues to evolve, embracing AI will be essential to staying competitive and delivering exceptional user experiences. Call to action. The next step is, if you are a tester or team leader, start exploring AI powered tools like TestIM, TestIM, Tool, or Mavel. Organizations should consider integrating AI into their CI/CD pipelines to accelerate their testing lifecycle. For professionals, upskill yourself in AI-driven testing frameworks to future-proof your career. So, thank you for tuning into the first episode of our podcast series. I hope you are getting a better understanding of how AI is shaping the future of software testing. Until next time, stay automated, stay ahead, and keep innovating. Have questions or want to have a question or want to deep dive deeper, leave a comment or share your experience with AI powered testing. We will we would love to hear from you and your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell so you don't miss out our next video about episode 2, that is machine learning versus AI impact on test automation.